Example number 3. A water tank has the shape of an inverted circular cone with base radius 2 meter and height 4 meter. If water is being pumped into the tank at a rate of 2 meter cube per minute, find the rate at which the water level is rising when the water is 3 meter deep. So let's look at what they are given. They're given to us that the radius is 2 meter, the height is 4 meter, and the rate is 2 meter cube per minute. So radius is 2 meter, the height is 4 meter, and they give us the rate is 2 meter cube per minute. The meaning of this is that the cube unit for the volume. So the volume change when the time change. So more time, we will get more water in the tank. So this is the change in volume with respect to the time change. So that is the dV over dt. The question asking us find the rate at which the water level is rising. So they're asking us to find the change in the height. So you can see the picture, the height is right here. So when we have more time, the height will get higher and higher. That means we have more water, right? So the question asking us to find dH with respect to the time t. And it's also giving us that the h is 3 meter, not 4. So the 4 is mean the height of the cone. Okay, so now we recall from algebra. We have the volume formula for the cone is 1/3 pi r squared times h. We want to take the derivative with respect to t, and the variable that we consider in this case is the v and the h. So if possible, we should do something with this r. So what do we have is the relationship between r and h that they give it to us. So so you have that r is 2 from the picture, r is 2, and the height from the picture, the height is 4. So that the r is just a half of the height, because 2 is a half of 4. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace 1/2 RH square and then times the height. And then it's equal 1/12 pi divided by 12 h cubed. Now we want to take the derivative. Take the first derivative with respect to the time t for both sides. So we got dv over dt equal pi over 12. We will use the change rule. So we will have 3 moved out, h squared, and dh over dt. So you go back to the chain rule and looking for the chain rule when we do for u to the n. Okay, then the formula is n u n minus 1 du dt. Okay, so we want to find dh dt. We want to solve it. Then we will have dh over dt. We do cross multiply. So it's equal to 12 on the top, and then pi 3 pi h squared in the bottom of dv dt. The h over dt equal, so we can cancel this, so it's going to be 4 pi, and the h is given is 3 square, it's 3, and then we square it, and then dv dt is 2 in the problem. Then we have 8 over 9 pi. Then you use the formula, you will get the answer is you use a calculator, you will get the answer is 0.28, and this is the height, so it is meter with respect to the time t, and in the unit is minute. The positive number means that for 1 minute, every 1 minute, the height of the water will go up 0.28 meter.